Unveiling the secret of cooking terms. Bake for 30 minutes, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special topic that's crucial for both cooking enthusiasts and English language learners alike. We'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, bake for 30 minutes. Whether you're in the kitchen trying out new recipes or navigating through English phrases, understanding these instructions is key. So, let's get started and make your cooking instructions crystal clear. First things first, let's break down the term, bake. Baking is a cooking method that uses prolonged dry heat, normally in an oven, but also in hot ashes or on hot stones. It's most commonly used for preparing breads, cakes, pastries, and other dessert items, but it's also used for cooking a variety of other dishes. The important aspect to grasp here is that baking is different from grilling or frying, as it requires consistent temperature to cook the food evenly. Now, let's focus on the 30 minutes part. This specifies the duration for which you need to bake your dish. Time is crucial in baking because it affects the texture, color, and doneness of the food. 30 minutes is a common time frame for many recipes, but always remember, the exact time can vary based on the oven and the specific dish you're preparing. It's not just about setting a timer, it's about understanding how time influences the cooking process. When we combine these two concepts into bake for 30 minutes, we're given a clear instruction on the cooking method and duration. This phrase is a directive to place your dish in the oven and allow it to cook under dry heat for a specified time. It's essential for ensuring that your dish is cooked thoroughly and achieves the desired outcome. Whether you're making a simple cake or a complex casserole, this instruction is the cornerstone of getting it right. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but applying it successfully is another. Here are some practical tips to ensure your baking is perfect. Preheat your oven before placing your dish inside. This ensures that the temperature is consistent throughout the baking process. Use a timer to help you keep track of the baking time. However, it's also good to check your dish a few minutes before the timer goes off, as oven temperatures can vary. Know your oven. Some ovens might have hot spots or bake unevenly. Familiarize yourself with your appliance to get the best results. And there you have it. Understanding the phrase, bake for 30 minutes, is crucial for anyone looking to improve their cooking skills or get a better grasp of English cooking instructions. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and made your culinary adventures a bit easier. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. Thank you for watching, and happy baking!